Conference is on political economy issues of governance, and governance is a is a very wide canvas, and governance could be talked about in terms of economic growth, in terms of foreign policy, in terms of. But I have tried to look at governance in my paper. I was looking at issues of governance in India, and in terms of governance, I tried to look at what are people's expectations from the government with regard to government schools, government hospitals, police, court, and also getting some facilities like ration card, etc. This was a survey based study, and from the survey it comes out very clearly that in India privatization have started since 1991. So since 1991 there is a lot of privatization, lot of private schools are coming, lot of private hospitals have opened up, but still large number of people in India, especially in the rural areas, still expect government to provide them free schooling, free government hospitals. Though people also say that they feel some difficulty in accessing government schools and government hospitals, but still they expect government to like take responsibility, not only provide but take responsibility of providing free school free education for children and free hospitals. In the study, in the paper which I presented, it came out very clearly that people have concerns about corruption in police, corruption in judiciary, and very tiny section of people actually approach the police when they have any need for the police. But they are not very satisfied with the work police does, and lot of complaint about corruption in police, lot of complaints about judicial process being delayed. So that's another problem which people have faced, expressed in the survey about getting things like ration card, etc. A lot of people have this sense that if you go by procedures, if you adopt rules and regulation, you can't get your work done easily. And a lot of people express the view that if you use a middleman, if you spend money, extra money, if you pay bribe, then your things get done. So that was the concern among the citizens. But overall, while these are the concerns, but overall still people want state to play an active role. They don't want, if there is a corruption in police, if the education in government schools is bad or facilities in government hospital is bad, then there should be more private hospital or more government private schools. There is a strong belief among the people that state should be a welfare state. We are living in a democracy. State is a welfare state, and state must provide these facilities to the people at large.